Session 5.3 Neuromodulation. The precision knobs. Dopamine, serotonin, acetylcholine, noradrenaline. Each one modulates how confident the brain is in different kinds of information. Dopamine encodes the precision of prediction errors in the reward-related pathways. High dopamine, large, consequential errors. Low dopamine, muted signal. Acetylcholine modulates the precision of bottom-up sensory evidence. Boost it, and the world feels sharper. Stimuli dominate. Noradrenaline modulates precision globally. It's your arousal dial. Serotonin, on the slower end, handles longer horizon confidence. In active inference, these chemicals aren't mysterious transmitters. They're the concrete implementation of gamma, the precision parameter, across different hierarchies and modalities. Part 39 of 100. Follow the learn arc.